Salesflare is an incredibly powerful CRM designed specifically for e-commerce businesses. And today I'm going to show you exactly how to use Salesflare for e-commerce sales. Whether you're just starting out or looking to streamline your sales process, Salesflare can help you work smarter, not harder, and I'm going to explain how in just a few minutes. Now, before we dive in, I want to let you know that you can use Salesflare completely free with an exclusive extended trial by clicking the first link below. I'll also be sharing a couple of bonuses you won't find anywhere else, so stay tuned for that. So, let's jump right into how Salesflare can help take your e-commerce sales to the next level. One of the first things you'll notice when using Salesflare is how easy it is to integrate with your existing e-commerce platform, whether it's Shopify, WooCommerce, or another system. It seamlessly syncs with your store to automatically import customer data and sales interactions. This means you don't need to manually input data, saving you valuable time. Now, the heart of Salesflare is its smart automation. Salesflare uses AI to track customer interactions and automatically fill in details like contact information, communication history, and purchase patterns. This gives you a 360-degree view of your customers, allowing you to tailor your sales approach. By tracking how your customers engage with your emails, website, or social media, Salesflare helps you predict their next steps, meaning you can follow up at just the right moment and increase your chances of closing deals. Speaking of follow-ups, Salesflare makes it easy to set reminders for your sales tasks. Whether it's following up on an abandoned cart or checking in with a previous customer, Salesflare ensures you never miss an opportunity. You can easily create tasks, set deadlines, and assign them to team members. This keeps your sales process organized, no matter how busy things get. Salesflare's powerful pipeline management allows you to see where every lead is in the sales cycle at a glance. From the moment a lead enters your system, you can track their journey and see when it's time to move them to the next stage. The system is highly customizable, so you can adjust the pipeline to match your specific sales process, whether you're running promotions, seasonal campaigns, or working with high-ticket items. Another fantastic feature for e-commerce sales is Salesflare's email integration. You can send and track emails directly from the CRM. Salesflare automatically logs every email sent to a customer and notifies you when it's opened or clicked. This feature helps you assess how well your email campaigns are performing and gives you the data to fine-tune your approach. One more key benefit for e-commerce businesses is Salesflare's reporting tools. It provides detailed reports on everything from sales performance to customer engagement. These reports are invaluable for identifying trends, spotting opportunities for growth, and making data-driven decisions to boost sales. As a bonus, Salesflare also integrates with a wide range of other tools, including marketing automation platforms, project management tools, and accounting software. This ensures you're not working in silos, but instead have a comprehensive system that connects all the pieces of your business. To wrap up, if you're looking for a CRM that not only simplifies your e-commerce sales process, but also uses intelligent automation to help you close more deals and improve customer relationships, Salesflare is an excellent choice. Don't forget to check the first link below to get your exclusive extended free trial and bonuses to get started today.